TarTV is a school organization that produces episodes for broadcast school-wide. TarTV is a public forum for student expression adhering to California Ed Code 48907. With the purpose of entertaining and informing the student body, TarTV is ran entirely by the students for the students.
With that, welcome to episode 1 of season 9, TarTV.
Hi there! Oh good, I got Spanish!
First class, AP Calculus. This will be the destroyer of my own sanity. How's your Spanish final?
Not so good. I just don't really know what to do anymore. I've never experienced anything like this.
Sorry to hear that. I've been numb to that feeling.
Oh, okay. Thanks, I guess. Hey, you seem chipper than usual.
I've been accepted to Harvard.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
I know.
Good luck in college.
Good luck with high school.
Where'd you get that jacket?
Yokis Garden.
What's Yokis Garden?
You'll find out.
Hi, I'm Jeff Yokiyama. My nickname is Yoki, and I'm part of the Yokis Garden crew.
I'm Logan Hardy, and I'm the president of Yokis Garden and the president of DECA.
I'm Robbie Jeffers. I'm a photographer that's helping out with Yokis Garden.
I've been doing this project for several years now, and that project is called Yokis Garden. What it represents is gather, abundance, repurpose. By gathering the abundance of things that are left over here on campus, I noticed that if I could repurpose it and put it into somewhat fan gear, and then one step further, I thought it'd be even better if I involved the students, because it would be a first on this campus at least in the nation for a high school to start taking responsibility of some of the things they throw away on campus. Well, after we find all these clothes that are being donated to us from the school in Newport Harbor, we take them and disassemble them and look at it in a way where, what would I like to wear? So I find different things that are donated to us, and this is a Patagonia shirt, but we created a little guy named Wabi Sabi. Wabi Sabi to us means flawed beauty. Well, that is the best part about this program, is that we are bringing newfound money to the Newport Harbor High School just by gathering all their leftover things, repurposing them, recycling them, and then selling them back to the neighborhood and also the Newport Mesa Unified School District area, and then also all the fans and moms and dads that have kids playing in all the different sports.
DECA, if you want to join DECA, a lot of what we do is community service projects, and this is where Yokis Garden fits perfectly in with it, because we're able to consistently just work with the community, help out, and because of it, it's a DECA community service project that we can pour our hours in, watch it grow, as such Yokis Garden. Basically, students are going to be able to pick what they're best at. For example, designing, producing, marketing, selling, tracking finances, and so much more. They'll be able to gain business knowledge, and they'll be able to sign up for it. You can go to our email, send us a resume, go to our Instagram, you can go to our website. There's so many ways. I mean, find me on campus, find Yoki, I'm sure he'll be wandering around somewhere. And you can just sign up like that. We're going to be selling at the football games, at lunch, all over the place, so you'll see us around.
Hey, who is Miss Novice?
That really sounds like a TarTV question.
Okay.
Hello and welcome to the Sailor Questionnaire, where we ask teachers questions. Now to introduce our teachers, we have...
Hi, I'm Mrs. Stone. I'll be teaching biology this year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Perry and I'll be teaching special education this year.
Perfect. Let's get into it with these questions. What year was Newport Harbor founded? 1932, 1937, 1930, 1935. Buzz when you want to, okay?
I'm the 30s, 1930.
That is correct. Here's a question about our principal, Dr. Bolton. True or false? Dr. Bolton's favorite baseball team is the Angels.
False.
That is correct. Another point to Mrs. Perry. This next question is about Tommy Tar, our school mascot. In what year was Tommy Tar accepted as our school mascot? The 1960s, the 1970s, 1950s, 1940s.
The 70s?
That is incorrect. I'll count
It doesn't?
That's
Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
1960s?
That is correct. And that wraps it up for this round of the Sailor Questionnaire.
Welcome, my name is James Lee, and today we will be doing round 2 of the Sailor Questionnaire. Here with me are 2 contestants, new teachers.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Kroger. This year I'll be teaching IPC and biology, and this is my 16th year teaching, and I'm actually an alumna of Newport Harbor.
And our second contestant.
Hi, I'm Mr. Luth, first year teaching, actually, and I'll be teaching PE here.
Let's get started with these questions. Dr. Bolton's favorite team is the Angels.
False.
False. That is correct. 1 point. Next question. When was the clock tower reconstructed? You have 2001, 2014, 2022, and 2009.
2009.
That is correct. 1 point for Mr. Kroger. Next question. What year was Harbor founded? We have 1932, 1937, 1930, and 1935.
1932.
That is incorrect. Would you like to steal?
Would love to
Can't
steal.
math.
1935.
That is incorrect.
What year is it right now? 23?
Yeah.
30. Was that an option?
Yes.
Okay.
1930.
30.
Is
Yes.
it 1930?
Yes.
Yes, that
Okay.
is the correct
Okay.
answer. And that is it for round 2 of the Sailor Questionnaire.
Hello and welcome back to the third round of the Student Questionnaire. I'm joined by Miss Navas.
I'm Miss Navas. I teach science.
And Mr. Brajas.
I'm Mr. Rajas. I teach world history and credit recovery.
Let's get right on into it. True or false? Dr. Bolton's favorite baseball team is the Angels.
That's false.
That is correct.
Go Dodgers.
What year was Newport Harbor founded? Was it 1932, 1937, 1930, 1935?
1930.
That is correct. This next question is about sports here at Harbor. What was the last CIF title that our school, Newport Harbor High School, won? Was it water polo, football, track and field, wrestling? I think that was Miss Navas.
Water polo?
That is correct. Congratulations. Thank you very much for joining us here at the Student Questionnaire, and thank you to all of our contestants. We'll see you in another episode. Bye, sailors.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Hey sailors, it's fall season. Are you ready?
Newport's ready to beat CDM this year.
We're ready for our pep rallies and football games.
Field hockey's ready to win.
Girls volleyball is ready to crush the Sea Kings.
We're flag football and we're ready for CIF. Anchor down.
We're ready for the tar pit.
Newport water polo is ready to compete for the CIF 3P.
We're girls tennis and we are so excited to beat CDM yet again. Anchor down!
What are you waiting for?
Let's go.
Our workforce has changed. There is growing evidence of a skills gap in which many students are not receiving the hands-on training while in high school that is needed. This misalignment between degrees and job skills causes half of university graduates to be underemployed in what are called gray-collar jobs, taking positions that do not require the education they have received, often with a debt they can't afford. Today, employers want to know what you can do and what you can do well, not just what degree hangs on your wall. In fact, the majority of positions that pay good wages require skills associated with career and technical education classes during and beyond high school. In the 21st century, our workforce now requires the completion of post-secondary training leading to industry-recognized credentials, a 2-year degree, or a 4-year degree. But having marketable skills and perfecting what you are good at is more important than getting a degree in something simply to get one. A strong academic education alone is insufficient. True success depends on aligning your career with your skills, academic knowledge, and available job opportunities. High school students who enroll in career education courses transition into post-secondary opportunities at a consistently higher rate than students who do not participate in hands-on learning opportunities. In fact, the graduation rate for students who concentrate in CTE is 95%, compared with 85% for non-CTE students. In response, California's new educational landscape is transforming to address the critical skills gap facing many of the state's high-growth sectors and to build a true pipeline of talented students who are both college and career-ready. Coastline ROP represents college and career readiness by exposing students to work-based learning opportunities, including internships, guest speakers, and apprenticeships. Students learn in a hands-on environment that lead to college and/or career. Utilizing work-based learning, students apply technical content and academic knowledge with hands-on learning experience in a workplace setting. Our CTE courses provide a valuable high school experience. We are committed to the belief that students learn best by these hands-on learning experiences that provide the opportunity to learn skills not otherwise available in regular classroom programs. CTE increases engagement in school by involving students as decision makers and owners of the educational process. Thankfully, the infrastructure of Coastline ROP's career education courses is designed to allow students access to classes at multiple locations and times, providing maximum flexibility and admittance. Representatives from local businesses serve on local advisory boards to support a rigorous approach in developing industry-approved curriculum that is relevant in today's economy. And our credentialed teachers with industry expertise provide instruction which keeps students inspired and engaged. Coastline ROP students learn industry-specific technical skills as well as employability skills. Join us as we connect to business and industry to achieve a high level of collaboration and innovation with education partners and deliver relevant curriculum in classes that inspire students to learn and succeed.
Thanks for watching Season 9, Episode 1 of TarTV.
Make sure to stay tuned every other Tuesday for new episodes.
And make sure to use hashtag NHHS TarTV to be featured on the next episode. And as always, go Sailors.